Horrendous Drivers NZ and Beyond presents Horrendous Road Users. Episode 3. Consistent speed. The best way to travel to ensure a smooth ride.
Hang on a minute, buddy. Not when I can pull out in front of you and make you slam on your brakes. Yeehaw!
I'll just go slow so you can stop, even though I know I could have just sped up to get out of your way. But you know, I just couldn't resist pissing you off. Yeehaw! Even when there is space behind you and you are clearly in the right lane, people can't help but to always be in front of you. Notice how Toyota Troll decides to indicate as we are approaching in the right lane. For some reason, Toyota Troll thinks that indicating gives her the right to pull straight over into the right-hand lane, even though there are no cars in front of her. What the f***? Have you ever heard that when it rains, all of the idiots come out of the woodwork? Obviously, Toyota Troll believes that the rule, drive to the conditions, doesn't apply to her. I think I'm so special. I'm the queen. Roll out the red carpet for me. Generally, when you are traveling somewhere, you have some idea of what lane you need to be in. Twisted Toyota is so twisted in her mind that she can't even figure out what she needs to be doing. Neck minute. Duh. I'ma change lanes now, even though I know you're trying to turn left. I know that I've seen the left indicator on the person's car behind me. I'll continue to block the way and not even try to move forward as much as possible to let them through. A recent trend is when people park on the road when there is an empty parking bay either really close by or on the opposite side of the road. Although some of these cars can technically be parked as they are, it is just common courtesy, or not common at all, to park somewhere else that is more logical and out of the way of other drivers. The Millwater morons certainly live up to their name. As you can see, they tend to favour this particular part of the road, even though there are an abundance of car parks. On another day in the same area, we see another one of these Millwater moron sheeps. Villain Volkswagen is so privileged that it decides to park in the cycle lane so that cyclists are forced to go in the lane where cars can run straight into them. The NZTA states, "You must not park or stop your vehicle in a cycle lane." Another very popular parking trend is to park on the corner or where there are yellow lines. Raj can't help but park on the corner of the street where there are also solid no-stopping yellow lines. The bus driver of this vehicle can't pull into the bus stop because knobhead Karen says, "Oh, I won't be a minute, I'm just popping into the post office." Even though the New Zealand Transport Agency states, "You must not park or stop your vehicle on a marked bus stop or taxi stand." Saleh must have had too many pies because he didn't want to park in a proper car park, so he decided to block this person's driveway to get his lotto ticket from the superette in Ponsonby. The New Zealand Transport Agency states, "Where not to park in front of or closer than 1 meter to a vehicle entrance." Now that we've come to the end of episode 3, who do you think won this episode's title of Horrendous Road User? Is it A, KFC Kevin, B, Merv and his Merc, C, Toyota Troll, D, Twisted Toyota, E, all of the cars parked along the side of the road, F, Villain Volkswagen, G, Raj, H, Knobhead Karen, or I, Saleh? Cast your votes in the comments section, and at the end of the month, we will find out the results. And are you sick of people being inconsiderate on the road? Reiterate messages to others with these products from our Redbubble shop. Tell them to keep to the left or right, depending on what side of the road you drive on in your country, or remind them to give way when they are supposed to. New designs will be released on a frequent basis, so keep checking in to find out what they are. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and like button if you enjoyed this video, and the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Horrendous Road Users.